I am full. He's up. I don't want this. I'm gonna get this. Or put this back. Come on.
His stomach. I had to stuff it with bandages for 6 months. With the stomach, his alostomy, his stomach was messed up.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger. As you can see by the thumbnail and the title, you know what this video is going to be about. I finally tried the pineapple Kool-Aid. So the kind I got, the two Kool-Aid packets I got is tropical punch and orange. I have not seen nobody to do orange yet, so I am going to do orange. And I'm going to cut them up, you guys. Oh man, them jars was really hard to open. Right now, we is going to pour the juice out. This is going to be a very short video. I'm not going to add no sugar in it, you guys. I am not going to add any sugar. Okay, that's it. We're going to open the package. We're going to start with orange first. Okay, now I'm ready to try this. Let me know if y'all tried this or not. Or if y'all going to try it. If y'all did try it. Let me know how do y'all like it. If you put, this would have been a good drink if you put a little liquor inside of it and make it cold and just sit out on the porch or hang out with your friends with this, a little snack. Yeah. See, it's all set. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna put them over here. We're going to cut them now. I'm going to only cut one, and the other I'm just gonna leave it as this. So this jar right here, I'm going to cut first. So we're gonna be doing this one first. I'm gonna put it in this bowl. Oh man, I had to get the stuff this morning. Luckily, I had got everything with my EBT card, so I was looking like that. And plus, I'm surprised I got the Kool-Aid packages for my food stamp as well, so I didn't spend any money for these next 2 challenges that I am going to do. Tomorrow, I'm doing another video. I'm doing baked macaroni and cheese and hot buffalo chicken bites with homemade mac and cheese. So that video going to be right after this video right here. Why I went to all these? Why the olive oil down there like fucking $8, like over $8? I had to go to Walmart. I'm like $8 for it, and I only needed a small thing of olive oil. That's it. Now you're going to put them back in a jar. You let it sit for 24 to 48 hours. So I'm gonna let it sit for 24 hours. So it's like around 1 o'clock now. So once 1 o'clock tomorrow, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna do a taste test on video. So my cup was gonna be, I'm gonna put the cup was orange. Okay, I'm gonna put the cup was gonna be orange. Make my thumbnail. I cannot wait to try this, y'all.
A few moments later.
Okay, my bad, y'all. I had to fix my storage because it had ran. My phone ended up running out of storage. So, my bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. I'll be back. Put the top on this one. I don't know where the top. Hold on, where's the top? Oh, here. That pineapple is so good. I was get. Okay, I'm back. It's been a few hours, so I'm going to go ahead and try them. I didn't want to wait 24 hours because I want to hurry up and close out this video before I start my other video tomorrow. As you can see here, I have just a tropical, and we have the orange. We're gonna try the orange. We're gonna try the tropical first. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. It is already sweet, so I didn't put no sugar in it. Mm mm mm. When I say it's good, it's good even without putting sugar in it. Cause keep in mind this thing already has sugar in it anyway. Mm, this is real good. Oh, we're down the wrong part, y'all. Mm. When I say it's good, it's good. So I'm gonna end up cutting these. Mm. Mhm. Oh, the orange Kool-Aid. Oh my God! If I make this again, it will be only with the orange Kool-Aid. When I say it is good, y'all. Mm. Mhm. And this one with light syrup in it. What's good? I'll see you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. And go check out all my videos that's on my page, the shorts, the live stream. Let's go ahead and check it out. Please leave a comment. It will do it bring my videos to the algorithm so I can have more people watching my videos. I'm gonna eat another for y'all, then I'm gonna close out this video. Mm, good.